Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana for free. And if you don't know about Nano Banana, guys, this is insane. Right now, Nano Banana technology is one of the craziest thing I've ever seen right now. But what is really fascinating about this one is that you can generate your images. You can do whatever it is with images and still keep the same image. So if you have an image of yourself and you want to put yourself in a new clothes, or you want to change the background, or you want to change the angle, or whatever it is, you can use that. So I'm gonna just do a small test here and show you how you can use that for free with this AI platform that I'm about to share with you. It's called Remaker AI. You can easily head over to Remaker AI and create an account for free, and you'll get a few credits that you can test out for free there. So if you want to test out the Remaker, plus they have a bunch of free tools here that you can also test. But I want to say a little bit more about Remaker. One of the amazing things about Remaker is that it comes with a ton of different AI tools that you can actually use to do a whole lot, right? And on top of that, they're always working to create new AI tools, new technologies so that you can always use. So to create an account is for free. And guess what? Another amazing thing about Remaker, they don't have a subscription. So you create an account, you create your account and you can use that. And all you have to do is just purchase credits. As you can see, I have over 3,700 credits right now because it's such amazing platform to use. And to get credits, you can simply go to prices right here on the upper right hand side, and you can get started for just $10, right? As I said, you get started, you get some credits that you can test it out for free, but you can purchase some of these credits. You can even get this one for 200 credits for $6, or 530 credits for basically $10. And you use the credits when you want to do something with the AI. So if you have your credits there and you don't want to use it for a month, you still have your account, you still have your credits. You don't have to pay a monthly subscription to pay for something that you don't really use. So that's a really good approach there. Now, let's get into the Nano Banana AI technology. So once you're inside it, guys, all you have to do is click an AI image or image AI on the left hand side. You can do videos as well, and you can do a whole lot. But once you click in the image AI, scroll down and you will find the Nano Banana. As you can see right here is Nano Banana AI. You can click on that, and you have two ways how to actually. You can use from templates. So if you just want to use a template and you want to upload your image, you can do that, right? Or you can do custom. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to just do a quick custom one because I want to test it out so you can see what you can do. And you can go ahead and add your images. So I'm going to click here and add images. So I'm going to find a picture of myself. Let's take this image here of myself, and let me add another image for a shirt. For example, I have downloaded some images of a shirt so I can test that as well. And let's go ahead and test this Balenciaga shirt, for example. Yeah, and all I will ask Nano Banana is, so all I'm going to ask this Nano Banana technology is by writing a simple prompt: change the shirt of this male and give him the black Balenciaga shirt. Simple as that. It's going to take 8 credits. So in your case, when you get started, I think you get about 30 credits. You can test it. And what it's supposed to do is to basically change the shirt that I'm wearing and give me this shirt. And as I said, this is just the tip of the iceberg because you can do a whole lot with this technology. So let's just wait for my image to generate so that you can see. And here you can see, guys, I'm still in the same. I'm going to download this picture right here, guys. And I'm going to open up my file explorer and just kind of show you my current image. So this is my image right here, for example. I will need to adjust the aspect ratio of the image anyways, but you will just see a typical example. So this is me in this shirt in this area, and this is the picture that it created for me. I'm still in the same area, guys. Still me, but in a different shirt. Oh, amazing. Oh, amazing is that. Of course, I've got Balenciaga shirts, but you can imagine that no one will ever know that I am not wearing a Balenciaga shirt. That is so cool. It is really, really cool. So guys, this is amazing technology. So you get, this is just a test, right? This is this for a tutorial purpose, guys, and I just want to share with you that amazing technology. And this is just the tip of the iceberg how to use Nano Banana. So guys, if you like this technology, as I said, the sky's the limit. Just use your imagination, and I really hope that you'll find this technology useful. So if you want to test it out for free, guys, you can check it out by using Remaker AI. And yeah, they also have a ton of different other AI tools that you can actually use. So check it out. You can create videos with it. You can do whatever it is, a whole lot. So they have, so just go ahead and head over to Remaker AI and check it out. Very easy and very simple. Thank you guys for watching. You'll find a link in the description of this video, and see you in the next video.